Hello everyone, I'm Neha Goyal, and the name of my subject is Childhood and Growing Up. The topic for today is gender roles and gender stereotypes. Gender roles. Gender role is a set of expectations that prescribes how females and males should think, act, and feel. For example, girls and women are generally expected to dress in typical feminine ways and be polite, accommodating, and nurturing, while men are generally expected to be strong, aggressive, and bold. Now, some of the factors which influence gender roles are family, school, student teacher interaction, peer group, textbook, etc. Gender stereotyping. It is derived from the term stereotype, stereo, and typo. Stereo meaning as firm as solid, while typo meaning impression or opinion. Therefore, it means solid impression or firm opinion. According to Judd and Park, stereotypes are the thoughts and beliefs maintained about the people or issues. These thoughts or beliefs may or may not accurately reflect the reality. Gender stereotyping at home. Some of the examples of gender stereotypes at home are boys don't cry and girls don't fight. Parents describe infant son as strong, active, well coordinated, and infant girls as little, delicate, beautiful, weak, etc. Parents praise girls for playing with dolls and discourage them from climbing trees. Expectations and views of adults in child rearing values are gendered. For sons, describing achievement, facing competition, and controlling of emotions is important. While for daughters, warmth, ladylike behavior, and closely supervised activities is important. Parents hold an opinion that their daughters need nurturing of passivity and dependency, and their son need to be aggressive and independent. Girls and females are mostly fit for doing household jobs, and the boys and males for the outdoor work. Stereotyping at school. Some of the examples are co-curricular activities are predetermined on the basis of gender. Example, boys will choose sports and girls will take cooking or painting. Gender biasness is seen in textbook, example highlighting the characters as male, sentences beginning with he. Assigning of class duties on the basis of gender. Gender stereotyping at neighborhood. Some of the examples are our neighborhood lays the socialization norms of boys and girls, which are entirely different and often discriminatory. Neighborhood society has typically associated outdoor games like cricket, football, etc., as boys' games. Career and working opportunities are the jobs of boys, while girls are expected to fulfill social responsibilities of families like taking care of children and doing household chores. Girls should not roam around freely, while boys have every right to move out at any time. Dressing of girls should be appropriate. The definition of appropriateness is, however, biased and discriminatory as given by our neighborhood society. Girls should not engage themselves in sports that involve physical activities. They should rather take care of their skin and complexion. Boys will be boys, but girls should take extra care, is the statement given in neighborhood to cover up bad deeds of boys and blaming girls for everything that goes wrong. Education implications. Parents should not assign children duties and activities on the basis of gender. Parents need to support the child's real interests and talents, encouraging boys to be more sensitive in relationships and engaging in socialized behavior to become more caring. Teachers need to examine their own attitude regarding gender bias. They should become aware of their own instructional interactions with males and females and not to differentiate between them. Teachers need to create and practice classroom programs which boost the self-image of boys and girls both. Many schools in rural India are sex-segregated institutions, so girls or boys have less opportunity for social interaction. In such contexts, inter-school activities should be conducted. Teachers can guide adolescent girls and boys for course selection and choice of career on the basis of aptitude and interest and not on gender basis. Thank you.